This is the ProLogic Safe Lock system from SECURAM Systems. You can tell the ProLogic because it has an LCD screen. When you press any of the buttons, the LCD screen wakes up and it allows you to do some programming. The ProLogic comes in a variety of different options, different models, from the ProLogic L01 up to the ProLogic L66 and ProLogic WebLink. All right, this is the ProLogic system, and I'm going to show you how to set who is eligible to override time delay. Time delay has been set on this safe at 1 minute. That means that I enter my code and it'll count up 1 minute and then it'll start counting down during my time window. I can enter a valid code during that time and the safe will open. 3 codes by default are time delay override codes. That's ID00, ID01, and ID02. But we can change that. We can eliminate ID02's ability to open the safe with bypassing time delay. Now, we could either eliminate it completely, or we could assign it to somebody else. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's assume you've got a cash carrier who's picking up the cash from the safe, and at the end of the day, they're not going to sit and wait for time delay in order to open the safe. So we want to give him a time delay override code. And I'm going to assume that I've set ID4 up as my cash carrier code. He has that code. So let's go ahead and change it from ID2 to ID4. So all I'm doing is saying, ID2, you can no longer bypass time delay. I'm going to give that privilege to ID4. Here's how you do it. Only ID00 can set this. So we have to log into the system menu with ID00. So we press the menu button. We scroll down to system menu and we press OK. And now we enter our ID00 code. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now we scroll down until we see set TDO user ID. So we keep going down through here until we see it. Oh, there it was. Set TDO user ID. We press OK. I'm going to change from ID2 to ID4 and press OK. And now what that's going to do is it's going to say 3 users have time delay override, 00, 01, and 04. 02 no longer has time delay override capability. Now let me show you that. So my 02 code is 222222. If I enter that, it'll now, instead of bypassing time delay, it'll start time delay. And now I have to wait through time delay just like any other user. Let's show you now how time delay override, which has now been assigned to ID04, works. So I enter my ID04 code. It says ID04 verified. It says time delay override. Now I have this capability assigned to ID04, so I'm able to open the safe without having to wait through time delay. All right, let me show you one more thing with time delay override. We can also change it so that only ID01 has time delay and ID00. So we can change it so that only ID00 and ID01 have it. And we take it away from 2, we take it away from 4, nobody else can have it. So how we do that is we press the menu button, we scroll down to system menu and press OK. We enter the supercode. Now we scroll down to set time delay user ID. There it is. I press OK. And now it says user 4 has time delay, but I want to change this to just user 1. So that means 00 and 01 now are the only people who have time delay override. I press OK. And it'll say, all right, now only 00 and 01 have time delay override capability. If I wanted to change that so that only the supercode has time delay override capability, then I could change that number to 00 and it would set that appropriately as well. So that is how time delay override works within the ProLogic system.